What do you care about? Do you care about the places you used to see? Do you care about the waste on your street? Do you care about the land beneath your feet? Do you care about making the right choice? Because we do. We care about the thread hanging from your shirt. We care about the fabric that's left behind. We care about the rejects that don't meet expectations. We collect them, we shred them to their basic form till they are unrecognizable. We give them a new life. One that has a purpose. A purpose to be fashionable. To be caring. To be mindful.